And now we are going to do a second example in subtraction with base 6 numbers. This one is going to take more thought than our previous example, which was, so we progress into more challenging examples. Again, we're going to use base pieces in a place value chart, but I have changed the numbers. This time I have the two numbers 403 base 6 minus 215 base 6. 403 base 6 minus 215 base 6. So I have our base pieces again set out here. 4 flats, no longs, 0 longs, and 3 ones. And from this, since I'm using base pieces, I'm going to think about the takeaway approach. So I want to take away 2 flats, 1 long, and 5 ones. From my 4 flats, 0 longs, and 3 ones, I want to take away 2 flats, 1 long, and 5 ones. Again, I will start over in the ones column, and I will notice that I do not have enough ones to take away 5. I only have 3. That's not enough for me to take away 5. Now, in the previous example, we went to the longs column and exchanged a long for 6 ones. But in this particular example, I don't have any longs. I have 0 longs that I can exchange from. So I'm going to have to move over farther to the flats column and exchange 1 flat. I'm going to exchange 1 flat. Exchange 1 flat for 6 longs. I'm going to exchange 1 flat for 6 longs. I have exchanged 1 flat for 6 longs. Now I'm going to exchange one of those longs. I'm going to exchange 1 long for 6 ones. Now that I have any longs, now that I have some longs, I can do this exchange that I wanted to do to begin with because I needed more ones. So now I've done this exchange where I have exchanged 1 long for 6 ones, and now I have enough ones. Now I can take away 5 ones. And again, that leaves me with 4 ones over there. That leaves me with 4 ones. Now I am supposed to take away 1 long. I'll take away 1 long, and I am supposed to take away 2 flats. I'm supposed to take away 2 flats. So now I've taken away 2 flats, and it looks like my answer should be 1 flat, 4 longs, and 4 ones. This time I got the answer 1 flat, 4 longs, and 4 ones. All right, so let's see what happens when we do a place value chart. Oops. So 166 squared. I am going to write down 403. Writing my subscript over here where it's out of the way, but it reminds me that I'm in base 6, subtracting 215 base 6. And now we're going to do that same process, but using symbols instead of the physical objects. Okay, so 3 minus 5, I don't have enough ones to take away 5 ones, so I need to exchange from the longs column. But I don't have any longs that I can use to exchange, so I need to move over 1 more column and exchange a flat. I am exchanging 1 flat. That leaves me with 3 flats. I'm exchanging 1 flat for 6 longs, and the exchange is 1 flat for 6 longs because I'm in base 6. Now I have 6 longs, and now I have longs that I can do an exchange from. So this time I'm going to exchange one of those longs. That will leave me with 5 longs. I'm exchanging one of them for 6 ones. I'm exchanging one of those longs for 6 ones. So again, my process was I needed ones, but I didn't have enough. So I needed to exchange from the longs column, but I didn't have any. So I needed to get some longs from the flats column, which I did by exchanging 1 flat for 6 ones. Then I did that exchange where I exchanged 1 long for 6 ones, right? I exchanged 1 flat for 6 longs. I exchanged 1 long for 6 ones. That brings me 9 ones over here, a total of 9 ones over there. Now I can do the subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4. 5 longs, which I still have from when I did the exchange with the flat. These 5 longs minus 1 long is 4 longs, and 3 flats. I only have 3 now because I did that exchange, so 3 flats minus 2 flats is 1 flat. So again, my answer is 144 base 6.